In this video, we're going to use the special angle relationships that we looked at in the last lesson to figure out if lines are parallel. So first, I want to bring your attention down here to this little reminder, which is that when lines are parallel, their intersections will be copied. Easiest way to think about this is in terms of corresponding angles. So in the upper left, we have 100 degrees. And if the line below is parallel to the line above, then the other upper left will also equal 100. These corresponding angles will be congruent when the lines are parallel. We can look at any of the other corresponding angles. In the upper right, we have 80 degrees and 80 degrees. That tells us that the lines are parallel. If I erase all of these others, I'm making a huge mess. I only need to know about one set of corresponding angles. That is enough. If I can copy this angle from this intersection to this intersection, from the lower left to the lower left, that will be enough information for me to know that the lines are parallel, because I can use what I know about angles to figure out the rest. With linear pairs, this must be 100. This must be 100. This must be 100. This must be 100. So because I have identical intersections on both lines, I'm able to say that the lines are parallel because I have identical intersections, because the corresponding angles are congruent. So now, in this question, I want to know, is line segment AC parallel to line segment PR? And what I know at the beginning of the problem is angle QMR is 70 degrees, and angle CVB is 110 degrees. So what I want to do is I want to do some math to see, are these intersections identical or not? So I can use what I know about linear pairs. So 180 minus 110 is 70. That means that this is 70. And that means that this is 70. Then I can use what I know about vertical angles to copy this 110 down. So this intersection has 70 in the upper left, 110 in the upper right, and so on. Now to the next intersection. So here I see 70 degrees. Well, I can go vertical, 70 degrees. Okay, well, it's looking like there's a pattern here. I can subtract 70 from 180 and get 110 here, and then 110 here. Either vertical or linear pair will give me the answer. So now I look at the intersections. Yes, they are identical. I have corresponding angles that are congruent. So yes, I can say that line segment AC is parallel to line segment PR, because corresponding angles are congruent.